Okay, welcome back. We're going to be going over the actual program now that we have all the information that we need. So, program flow, we're going to create some functions. This will help us keep the program organized and orderly. In most programs, you do not want to have all your functionality in one big blob. You want them chopped up into little pieces that you can rearrange as you see fit. So down here, I'm going to create a function called setLotNum, and that will be used to modify the lot number. We're going to lotnum equals number prompt.question, enter lot number. And we can do the same thing with set bathnum. Oh yeah, numbath. Enter number of bathrooms. Set carnum. Consistency is good. It just really helps to be consistent when you're writing with any kind of style, because consistent casing, consistent variable name styles. As you can see, I'm a little bit messy right now, but enter number of cars in garage. Functions are highly useful. I will get more into this later, but this makes code that can be reused. Set bednum. It also helps with encapsulation, keeping code of part A separate from part B. Enter number of bedrooms. Okay. So back up here in function main, I'm going to call setLotNum. Notice the use of parentheses. Regarding a function, this is how you call it. If I did not have the parentheses here, it would just be expressing this function, and it would, well, I'll show you what it will do. If I run console.log setLotNum, it just displays function setLotNum. That's not very useful. We want to actually call the function, so we're going to use these parentheses, which forces it to evaluate it. So when this line runs, it sees function lotnum and it runs from here downwards. When it reaches the end of the function, this little curly brace here, it goes back to where it was. So because of this, we will be calling all of these functions, set bathnum and set carnum. And if I run this, enter lot number 50, number of bedrooms 3, number of bathrooms 2, cars in garage 4, and it dies. What just happened? Well, we ran all 4 of these, and then it reached the end, so it stopped. What are we missing? Well, let's make a calculate totals and display totals. Now, we already know I guess we're going to need one more. Let total cost equals 0. One more global variable. So here we're going to say total cost equals, ready for some math? So let's see. Price base plus price car times numcar plus price bath times num bath plus price, what was it, bedroom? Yeah, bed. Times num bed. And function display totals. Notice how this is using a mathematical expression with lots of variables. Same kind of stuff you see in algebra and normal math. Most programming languages support these basic expressions because they're just too darn handy not to. So now I'm going to display it. Console.log is what we're going to be using for displaying everything. So I'll say backtick for text templates. Total price is total cost. And if I run the function, or run the program, lot number 3, number of bedrooms 3, number of bathrooms 2, number of cars in garage 3. Total price is $144,000. Pretty expensive. And if I just add a little cash sign there, it'll make it show a cash sign. That's all there is to this assignment.